also not so strong anymore. I don't know how long it's gonna last.
Or the root. Does it work without electricity?
Yeah, it does work without electricity. It's a battery.
Oh.
Yeah. So I see the lifespan of the batteries.
Or like cell phones.
It's dying. We had it since 2022. Yeah.
Was practicing cutting papers.
Yeah. Yes, you show me. And the more I think you practice now, you can see.
Yes.
Right? Even if you get different teachers, you'll even understand it more.
Yeah.
Yes. We're gonna take this one.
Oh yes.
The
Oh
curly
yes.
one.
You see my cutting with this is clean now.
I can see because
Yes,
you've been
practicing.
practicing. Oh, what I was fetching then, it's not like a chronic medication or anything. It's just the vitamins.
Yeah.
Because 2022 I was malnutrition
No?
because
Went through stress, ne?
we were like not eating actually healthy.
Wow, shame.
You see this thing, or if you want to lose weight, you must eat soya. Oh, I don't like that thing.
Ne?
It makes you to lose weight.
Soya. Wow, serious. Good. So you know what I must do? These ones, let me put them inside.
Yes.
What is this one?